Hello, dear friends and followers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are that smart and busy that anyone can do solve any problem and can answer anything in the respect of fields of the work. Running behind the curiosity in legal field, today I came up with a question to discuss that why lawyers wear black and white uniform. Looks basic, but let's understand. Advocates wear black and white dress code because of three reasons. They are historical significance, importance of black and white color, and legislation, that is Advocates Act 1961. Wearing black gowns by lawyers and judges first started in 17th century from British practice. In 1685, King Charles II of England died. Black gowns were worn as a symbol for mourning of king's death. It is said that Charles II in 1680 was inspired by court of Louis in France where lawyers wore coats. At the end of 17th century, barristers, judges and solicitors of England began to wear black coats, gowns, white bands and traditional wigs. Black and white is a symbol of legal profession all around the world. Lawyers wear black coat because black is a color of authority, power, aggression and mystery. It represents submission of oneself like priests. It shows their submission to the justice. White color signifies goodness, peace, purity and hope for justice for the common people. Wigs are also worn by judges, barristers in 17th century like uniforms because it denotes the symbol of anonymity and to draw on supremacy of law. A white neckband to have origin in England. The two pieces of white cloth joined together to form a white neckband of advocates and judges. It represents tablet of law or tablet of stone. These are given in the Holy Book Bible. It is believed to be the first uniform coded law, which upholds the law of the God and man. In India, Section 49, Subclause 1 GG of Advocates Act 1961 prescribes and regulates the dress code of an advocate who appear in Supreme Court, High Court, and other subordinate courts. In Part 6, Chapter 4 of Bar Council of India rules, under Section 49, Subclause 1 GG of Advocates Act 1961 says that advocate shall wear a black coat, black buttoned coat, black sherwani, chapkan, achkan and white bands with advocate's gown. Subclause B says a black open breast coat, white collar, stiff or soft and white band with advocate's gown. In either case, long trousers and dhotis are allowed, excluding jeans. For lady advocates, Section 2 Subclause A prescribes black and full or white sleeve jacket, blouse, white collar, stiff or soft, and white band with advocate's gown. Subclause B says saris, long skirts, white or black or any milo without any print or design or flare, black, white or black striped or grey. Wearing advocate's gown is compulsory in Supreme Court and High Court, but it is optional in other subordinate courts. Earlier, black tie was worn by advocates in Mufasil court before independence, but now black tie is not allowed in the courts. Now, due to COVID-19 impact, Supreme Court relaxed dress code for advocates. They may wear plain white shirt, sari, salwar kameez with white plain neckband. So, conclusion is dress code is not only a symbol of any profession, but it also strengthens unity and uniformity and it brings discipline in the profession.